All right, guys, so welcome to week 20, assignment 1. We are going to use assignment 2 from last week to complete this. So what I need you to do is you're going to open your assignment 2 and go to the PowerPoint Designer and make it better. So if you go to wherever you have it saved, hopefully you have a folder on your desktop called Intro to Computer Apps. You have a quarter 3, and then you have a Q2 Assignment 1 speech folder, or a file, which is a PowerPoint file. And you're going to go ahead and open this. Okay, so you have your pages and you have your noun and your examples. So you have all of your stuff, but it's really, really basic. I mean, and most of you don't even have this on there. So what I need you to do is if you click on a file, a slide, and then you go up here to design on the toolbar. It is called the design ribbon. If you go over here to design ideas, if you click on it, you will get design ideas that will come up on this side, and it will show you different things. So you pick the one that you like. So you're going to click that one, and I'm going to go to this one and see, I can choose any one of these based on what I was doing. So I'm going to click on it, and you will do all of your pages, you will save it, and you will submit it as assignment 1. You'll save it as Q3 A2 designer. While I'm thinking about it, the other thing that I did was, if you go into the materials of here, I put a master list that I'm going to put all of the different assignments, their names and what they are, on here, so that when you have to upload them to OneDrive, because we're working on organization also, you'll have them here. So you'll see Q3A1 is your parts of speech, Q3A2 will be your designer, which I just showed you, and then you'll have Q3A3, which is a photo album. It is assignment 2 of week 20.